Hello world, welcome to Xonadyne Labs. Today we're going to start with something basic and we're going to upgrade your PC to a 3 terabyte hard drive. Look at that monster. Alright, first thing you want to do is make sure that your PC is turned off, everything is unplugged, and you're ready to go. Peripherals, power, everything. Now, I'm going to take the case off, unsheath it, and then you want to locate the hard drive, which is right there. We have a 500 gig in there right now, as you can see, which is not very, it's not a whole lot, especially if you're looking at doing a lot more intense things on there. So how you get it out? First, you want to check the cables. Make sure, remove these cables in here. Let's take this out first, see if that would be a little easier. Get this whole case out. Alright. And pull that out. You lift up this tab right here, and it just pops out. Alright, take these off the sides and place these on the new hard drive, so it'll slide back in there and fit perfectly. A lot of computer equipment has the hex heads, like those, the star-shaped heads. So you want to make sure your tools have those types in there as well if you're looking at breaking a computer down. Now, to reinsert the new hard drive. Make sure the ports are facing the right way. Like a glove. Plug everything back in. Yeah, it's back in there. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's just where it was before. And get this one back in here. There you go. You hear the click. And then make sure you set that back in there so that snaps back down. And you are all set. Congratulations, you got an empty hard drive in there. Now what do? You got to put something on there.